Do you know how to share a screen?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's go.
See my screen?
Yes, here you can see your Google Knowledge panel. See here just suggest, edit, and learn more, right? In your panel.
So what now? I need a lot more.
Yes, suggest, edit, right side.
It's just
You can
edit.
see
Okay.
right side. Click on it and click on general feedback.
Right click, you said?
No, no, no.
Oh, general feedback. Okay.
Yes, general feedback.
Okay.
What's your edit? Then required. If you want to add your feature image on Google Knowledge Panel, then you need to add the feature image first to your Twitter profile picture, or you need to add it in your official website.
Okay.
Then you can put here your image URL, like please add my feature image.
Okay. Um,
Please write on it.
please add what?
Add my feature image.
My images?
Feature images.
Facial?
Feature image.
Feature images.
Yes.
Like that?
Then click on enter.
Click enter?
Enter. Space.
Okay.
So here you write source. SOURC source.
Uh-huh.
Source.
Huh?
Then you need to clone. Then put here your image URL.
Oh, so I have to send the URL for the images.
You can go your Twitter account, Twitter profile picture. Then I
My
will
what
show,
account?
Then I will show you how to add, how to create your image URL.
So let's say I go to Instagram.
Instagram not give you any image URL. This is the problem.
Okay, so what do I need to do?
Twitter.
Twitter?
Yes, Twitter.
Okay. Okay, so I'll need to upload pictures to Twitter.
So click on it on your profile picture, right button.
This one here.
Click on it.
Okay.
Then click on right button.
Uh-huh. Copy image address.
Yes, copy email address.
And put that there.
Then put it here.
Okay.
Look. .jpg. If you have any kind of picture from your website or any kind of social media, but in the URL you will see .jpg or .png or .jpeg. This is okay.
Right.
So
Okay.
you need to keep the format .jpg or png or jpeg. Then you need to send.
Gotcha.
You need
Okay.
to send the feedback. You can add anything on your knowledge panel with this way. Okay.
Gotcha. Okay, so when I wanted to add information like a blurb about me, whatever, can I send the actual text or they need actual URLs?
One way.
URLs only.
If you want to add your social media URL, then just write on the please add my social media, or please add my YouTube, please add my Instagram, add my Twitter, and keep it as a source your link with username. That means a Twitter link or Instagram or Facebook, as you want.
Okay. What about knowledge panels where they have like the description of who the person is? Is that that is it usually
Biography.
only
Please add my biography. Please add my biography and keep it source where you write your biography on the Wikipedia or Grounds page or Wiki like us. Where you put your biography. Okay.
okay? So where should I put my biography? Do you think?
No matter. You can keep it anywhere. This is no matter.
Okay. Okay. Got it. All right. Great. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Okay. Okay. Welcome.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
See you.
All right. See ya.